children, today we are going to start with chapter 4, that is physical features of India. So in this chapter we will study about the physical features of India, the landforms and the climate. So first let's warm up. Here some map is given to you. You have to locate the Himalayas, right? Thar Desert, Indian Ocean and Lakshadweep and Deccan Plateau. So here lies your Himalaya, right? राजस्थान में आपका क्या लाई करता है? थार डेजर्ट, right? Just like this you have to mark. Here lies your Thar desert. What are these? These are Himalayas. These are the lofty mountains. Right? Indian Ocean. Here lies your Deccan Plateau. This is your Deccan Plateau. Here lies your Indian Ocean. And here lies the Lakshadweep Island. So our country India is vast and beautiful. It is 7th largest country and second most populous country. जो सरफेस है वो वेरी करती है, मतलब कहीं आपको माउंटेन्स देखने को मिलेंगे, कहीं पे हिल्स, कहीं पे प्लेट्यूज, रिवर्स, डेजर्ट, राइट. So these are the different landforms that we see here. So our country, as you know, it's a vast and it is not same everywhere. I have told you we have mountains somewhere, somewhere plains, somewhere plateaus, right? So landforms of India. Look at the map. Its northern part has the Himalayas. Some of the peaks of these mountains are always covered with snow. जो highest peak है वो क्या है? Mount Everest, right? It's a part of Himalaya. Apart from the north, the southern and the central part of India have mountains and the beautiful Nilgiri Hills lies in the south. और Nilgiri Hills कहाँ lie करती है? South में lie करती है, right? Next is northern plains. Let's study about the northern plains. Here lies your Himalaya. और यहाँ पे आपका हिमालय लाई करता है और हिमालय से जस्ट नीचे ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये आपका क्या है? नॉर्दर्न प्लेन है. इट्स अ फर्टाइल एरिया, right? Most of the population live in the northern plains. Why? Because the availability of food crop is available here. It's a vast stretch of level land. ये आपका west to east extend करता है and plains are flat areas of land. There are narrow strips of plains along the sea coast in the southern part of India. These plains जो है ये meet करते हैं कन्याकुमारी और कहाँ? South में, right? So river India is a land of rivers and the holy river Ganga flow through the northern plains to finally enter into Bay of Bengal. Apart from Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari also flows here. Right? Then we have southern plateau, which is also called Deccan Plateau. Right? Here, let me show you over here first. This is your Deccan Plateau. Right? South में आपका lie करता है Deccan Plateau and it is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides: Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Right? It is also called Indian Peninsula because it has water on three sides. I have told you we have Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea to the west. Iceland. So India has two groups of island. Iceland is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. सच ग्रुप्स ऑफ आइसलैंड डिफरेंस देखो, प्लेट्यू में क्या है? तीनों साइड से पानी से घिरा हुआ है, लेकिन वहीं हम आइसलैंड की बात करें, वी हैव वाटर ऑन ऑल द साइड्स, सारी साइड्स पे वाटर है, राइट? सो द अदर ग्रुप ऑफ आइसलैंड वी हैव अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइसलैंड एंड लक्षद्वीप आइसलैंड. नेक्स्ट इज डेजर्ट, थार डेजर्ट, राइट? in where it is in the Rajasthan. Why? It is because they have very little rainfall and land remains barren. ठीक है. और आप राजस्थान में जैसे आप जाते होंगे तो आपको वहाँ वो थोड़ा सैंडी एरिया है, प्लांट्स भी बहुत कम देखने को मिलते हैं एंड प्लांट्स आर सीन लाइक कैक्टस, राइट? The Indian desert is also called Thar desert and this is mostly in the western part of Rajasthan. Then we have climate. As a land of India, a large variety of surroundings. Climate also varies from place to place. The northern mountain ranges remain cold throughout the year and the northern plain face cold winters and hot summer. नेक्स्ट है जो कोस्टल प्लेन होता है वो ना तो ज्यादा ठंडे होते हैं ना ही ज्यादा गर्म होते हैं, एंड द क्लाइमेट जो होता है वो कैसा होता है, मॉडरेट होता है. द डेक्कन प्लेट्यूज रिमेन हॉट ड्यूरिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द ईयर, और नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न डेजर्ट रिमेन कूल एट नाइट एंड हॉट ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम. देयर इज हार्डली एनी रेनफॉल, बारिश बहुत कम होती है. इंडिया का मानसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट है, राइट? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.